Hi guys, we are back with the last Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, October the 5th, 2020. The last Sudoku is a binary Sudoku, binary number 2. And this will be number 1686. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Then let me see. How about comparing? Yes, do I need to compare? I think, of course, I need to compare. How do we do this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If I place number 4 here, the fourth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Then 3 O's. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then 1, 2, 3. If I place number 4 here, the fourth O, then we have still 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Again, just like the previous binary. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday. Bye bye for now.